Ultralight aircraft offer a unique and exhilarating way to experience the freedom and thrill of aviation. Requiring no pilot's license, ultralight flying stands out as one of the most accessible, fast-paced, and immersive methods to enjoy the skies. These aircraft are not just fun and exciting, but also surprisingly affordable, making them an appealing option for aviation enthusiasts. Flying ultralights is not merely an alternative to the traditional aviation, but an entry into a distinct and dynamic sector of the flying community. While there are many ultralight options available, here are some of the rare and exceptional models that truly stand out. Phantom X1. The Phantom X1 is a single-seat ultralight aircraft produced by Phantom Aeronautics in Three Rivers, Michigan. Designed with a tractor configuration and cable-braced high wing, the X1 features tricycle landing gear and is available in kit form for amateur construction. Its design aligns with the far Part 103 ultralight category with an empty weight under 254 pounds. A two-seat version, the Phantom X2, was developed as an ultralight trainer. Modern iterations of both models replace the original cable bracing with streamlined struts for improved performance and aesthetics. Originally conceived as an aerobatic aircraft, the Phantom X1 was rigorously tested to structural limits of +9 to -6.6 G, with operational limits set at +6, 6 to -4.4 G. The aircraft's full-span ailerons contribute to its impressive roll rate, although it has never been marketed as an aerobatic model for liability reasons. Its lightweight and agile design make it a popular choice among ultralight aviation enthusiasts. The X1 is compatible with a range of Rotax engines, offering power options from 40 to 64 horsepower. Factory-installed options include brakes and a complete airframe parachute for added safety. The aircraft's assembly is straightforward, with the manufacturer estimating a build time of just 40 hours. Skyview's MH-1 helicopter. Skyview's MH-1 Millennium helicopter is a standout attraction, especially for engaging students in aviation and engineering. This fully functional single-seat helicopter can be flown at a local airport, providing an unparalleled hands-on learning experience. The MH-1 is designed with educational accessibility in mind. Its open-panel design exposes all interior moving parts and engineering components, making it easy for students to explore and understand its mechanics. Compact and versatile, the MH-1 can be rolled into a field house, automotive bay, or any space with a 10-foot door. Its lightweight structure, 600 pounds empty, with a maximum gross weight of 1,000 pounds and portable design, make it suitable for display in parking lots, ball fields, or indoor facilities. With a top speed of 120 miles per hour and a range of approximately 160 miles, the MH-1 combines performance with practicality. It's not only a dream machine for aspiring pilots, but also an exceptional educational tool, offering students a close-up look at cutting-edge aeronautical technology. Belita Chipper. Belita Aircraft has built its reputation on producing innovative single-seat Part 103 aircraft and advanced electronic instrumentation. Expanding on this legacy, they made the Belita Chipper, a versatile and economical solution for aviation enthusiasts. Featuring side-by-side seating, the Chipper can be configured as either a tail dragger or a nose-wheel aircraft, catering to various pilot preferences. The Chipper's cabin is constructed primarily from honeycomb aluminum, a lightweight yet durable material commonly used in the aerospace industry. Powered by an 80-horsepower engine, the aircraft burns just 4 gallons of fuel per hour and requires only 400 feet for takeoff at maximum gross weight. Its components are designed with ease of assembly in mind, utilizing aluminum honeycomb sandwich panels to create a lightweight, capable and straightforward build process. Designed for dual-purpose functionality, the Chipper excels in both efficient, low-cost travel and exceptional backcountry takeoff and landing performance. As one of the most affordable two-seat kits on the market, the basic airframe kit is priced at just $11,500, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious pilots seeking versatility and performance. Minimax 103. The Minimax is a well-established family of single-seat, mid-wing, strut-braced, single-engine aircraft designed for amateur construction. Available in kit form, the Minimax was conceived to deliver maximum enjoyment and performance while minimizing cost, required building space, construction time, and skill level. Its design makes it an ideal choice for both novice and experienced builders. Constructed predominantly from wood truss with plywood gussets, the Minimax is covered with doped aircraft fabric, giving it a classic yet functional design. The build time varies depending on the specific model, allowing flexibility for different builder preferences and schedules. Many models feature open cockpits with windshields, offering a traditional ultralight flying experience. The Mini-Max lineup includes models that meet the requirements of the US FAR 103 ultralight vehicles category, with an emphasis on lightweight construction. For example, the original ultralight versions were powered by a 28-horsepower Rotax 277 engine to maintain the maximum 254-pound empty weight limit. Modern variants, such as the 1030F Max 103 and 1100F Mini Max to achieve compliance. With its standard 3-axis controls, tractor configuration, and tail dragger design, the Mini-Max offers a straightforward yet capable flying experience. Designed for enthusiasts seeking a practical, economical, and enjoyable aviation project. Quickie Q2. Originally designed by Bert Rutan, it is a highly efficient kit plane that stands out due to its innovative tandem wing design and lightweight construction. The aircraft features an anhedral forward wing with full-span control surfaces, functioning similarly to a canard wing, but with significantly larger dimensions. The slightly larger dihedral rear wing complements this unique configuration. The main landing gear is also unconventional, with the wheels mounted at the tips of the forward wing. Powered by a compact 70-pound Onan industrial 4-stroke engine delivering 18 horsepower, the Quickie was engineered for low power consumption and exceptional efficiency. The Q2, an evolution of the Quickie, is a 2-seat composite aircraft with high performance and responsive controls. Its layout resembles a negative stagger biplane, featuring a fiberglass and epoxy structure. The Q2 employs a canard configuration, with elevators on the forward wing and inboard ailerons on the rear upper wing. The Q2's control system is equally distinctive, with a side stick located between the pilot and passenger seats to manage pitch and roll. Pilots operate the aircraft with their left hand on the throttle and their right hand on the side stick, offering an ergonomic and responsive control experience. Hungro Helicopter. The Hungrocopter is an innovative single-seat helicopter designed to comply with European microlight aircraft regulations, manufactured by Hungrocopter Limited in Hungary. Offered as a kit for amateur construction. With an estimated construction time of 300 hours, the Hungrocopter is an ideal project for aviation enthusiasts seeking a high-performance, customizable helicopter. The design features a single main rotor and tail rotor, with options for an enclosed cockpit with a fairing or an open cockpit without a windshield. The helicopter is equipped with skid landing gear and is powered by a choice of automotive conversion engines, including the 4-cylinder, 4-stroke Subaru EJ22 or Subaru EJ25. Constructed with a welded steel tubing fuselage, the Hungrocopter incorporates lightweight foam, laser-cut wood, and advanced 3D printed parts, ensuring a blend of durability and efficiency. The helicopter's 2-bladed rotor has a span of 23.0 feet, and the aircraft boasts an empty weight of 300 kilograms with a gross weight of 430 kilograms, resulting in a useful load capacity of 130 kilograms. Ultraflight Laser. The Ultraflight Laser is a renowned family of Canadian-designed and built twin-engine ultralight aircraft, sold in kit form. Notably one of the first twin-engine ultralights, the Laser has earned its place as the most registered Canadian aircraft of its kind, thanks to its innovative design and versatility. The initial model in the series is a single-seat, high-wing monoplane with a unique open fuselage frame, inverted V-tail, and twin tractor propellers. Its fuselage is constructed from lightweight aluminum tubing, supporting an open cockpit, tricycle landing gear, and the distinctive inverted V-tail. The high-mounted wing features a straight, constant taper design with a high aspect ratio, supported by outboard diagonal bracing struts for structural integrity. Designed for low-speed flight, the Laser's aerodynamic layout optimizes performance and stability. The Laser stood out not only among recreational pilots, but also in law enforcement circles. It was one of the first ultralights to gain attention for police surveillance roles due to its twin-engine reliability and user-friendly features. Seawind 300C. The Seawind is a family of composite, four-seat amphibious aircraft known for their distinctive design and versatility. Featuring a single tail-mounted engine, the Seawind is offered as a kit for amateur construction and was once under development for sale as a fully certified, factory-completed aircraft. A defining characteristic of the Seawind is its engine pod, which extends forward from the leading edge of the large vertical fin. Its sleek, aerodynamic profile and flowing curves are made possible by advanced composite construction, giving the aircraft both aesthetic appeal and functional efficiency. The design also benefits from reduced cabin noise, as the engine is positioned above and behind the cabin with exhaust routed upward and aft. The Seawind 300C was designed to be the certified production variant, derived from the kit-built Seawind 3000. It incorporated numerous modifications to meet certification standards, reflecting its evolution into a robust, reliable, and versatile amphibious aircraft. Aviomania G 2SA Genesis Duo. The Aviomania G 2SA Genesis Duo is a versatile autogyro designed in 2007 by Nicholas Karyolides and manufactured by Aviomania in Larnaca, Cyprus. Offered as either a fully assembled, ready-to-fly aircraft or a kit for amateur construction, the Genesis Duo is renowned for its robust design and customizable options. The G2SA Genesis Duo features a single main rotor and a two-seat open cockpit with a windshield, complemented by tricycle landing gear with wheel pants and a tail caster. It is powered by a turbocharged, four-stroke, dual-ignition Rotax 914 engine, delivering 115 horsepower in a pusher configuration. The Genesis Duo is lightweight yet sturdy, constructed with bolted aluminum tubing for the fuselage and a composite fairing for aerodynamics. The aircraft has a typical empty weight of 529 pounds and a gross weight of 1,235 pounds, resulting in a useful load of 485 pounds. With a full fuel capacity of 21 US gallons, the remaining payload for passengers and baggage is 359 pounds.